Hey, hello people. Today we're going to be making a solfege key. We're going to be making a solfege key for our new song, Until We Meet Again. And the song is in a new key this time. It's going to be in the key of C. The way you know it's in the key of C, it has no sharps and no flats. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started right into it. Be sure to copy down everything and write down everything because you'll be turning this in online for an assignment in Canvas. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and start by making a staff. A staff has 5 lines and how many spaces? We have 4 spaces, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to make another one for the bases, which we'll use in just a second. Okay, so this is a set, and this is a set. Okay, so let's start off by drawing the treble clef, the 8 symbol. And then we're going to have our bass clef down here. Okay, so in the key of C, C is right here. And since we're in the key of C, C is going to be do. So we have it right here, okay, which is going to be do. This line, and these are going to be all the notes that the tenors are going to have to sing throughout the song on the way down from do. We have do, then we go down to T, then we have la, do, fa, mi, and re. And then we go up from there. So does everyone have this right here? We have do starting right here on C, T, down the scale, la, do, fa, mi, and re. Then we're going to go all the way back up here. This is where do is, just a reminder. Then we have re, and then in this space, we have high mi. Alright, so it should look like that. And then there's one more thing we have to add to this, one more thing. We have an accidental in the music later, right here. And this is C, because C is a half step up from so. This sharp means it goes up by a half step. So there we have the treble clef, all the notes that you'll need to sing the song, from do all the way down to low re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, and go back up to do, re, mi. And we have one accidental, which is right here on C. Okay? So that's the tenor part. And then we have the bass range. Okay? We're going to start right here. It's an interesting place to start. This is high do for the basses. This is high do for basses. Okay, because this is middle C. This is the line above the staff, so it's middle C. It's going to be high do. And you're going to walk just down the scale, just going to mark down all of the notes. I'm going to have this really low note down here. Okay. These are all the notes that we have right now. I'm going to go right down the scale. So we have do, down scale, we have ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, and do. And all the way down here, we have do, this would be ti, this line, followed by la in the space, which then leaves so on this bottom line down here. So these are all the natural notes we have in the scale. They are not affected by any type of accidental. We have all the way from do down to this do, and every note in between. And we have this low so down here.
I'm just going to leave it up. I do want you to copy both parts.
Yes, we are copying both parts, everybody. And last thing for the bases, let's go ahead and mark these two notes right here. Okay. This note is going to be sharp, and this note is also going to be sharp. So this note right here on the line is going to be B, the half step above from fa. So we have the fa line, and then we go up a half step with the sharp. And then we have so, which, as we said from the tenor, so with a sharp becomes C. So this should be what the solfege key looks like for the new song. This clef up here. For the tenors, we have do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, all the way down. Going do, re, mi, all the way up, starting from that do. And they have a C, which is accidental. That will happen later in the music. And for the basses, we have do, all the way down to low do. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. With low so. And we have our accidentals here, which are B and C.
Make sure that after you make your solfege key, you submit a picture of it in Canvas for your grade.